Oh, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be diving into one of the most useful Linux tools for system monitoring, and of course this is the top command. And I hope by the end of this video you will know just the basic of how to use the top, how to view your active processes, how to monitor your system performance, and if you have to troubleshoot some issues effectively. So let's dive in. Okay, so first of all, what really top is? Top is a real-time system monitor that shows you information about your system performance and the processes currently running. It's like Task Manager on Windows, but much more powerful and customizable. First, I must say Top is already installed in most, if not all, of the Linux distribution. This is like a default program, again like the system monitor for Windows. So you don't have to do any installation. What you do, of course, you need a terminal. Just write down top, press enter, and you should have an output similar to mine. Here, the top part displays system stats like CPU usage, memory usage, and load average. Below that, you will find a list of running processes. So let's get a quick basic breakdown of the key metrics that you will need in this video. And the first, of course, is PID. This stands for process ID. What process ID is? This is a unique identifier for each running process. The next is user. This is the user who owns the running process. Next we have the CPU. This is the percentage of the CPU the process is using. The percentage mem, the percentage of memory the process is consuming. Next we have time plus. This is of course the total CPU time per process has used since it started. And at the end we have the command. This is the name of the command or application running this process. And of course top is interactive as well, so you can do so much more than just view your processes. For example, if you want to kill a process, so let's say we want to kill the top process that we are currently running, all we need to do is just press K. Now we have input here that says PID to signal kill. All we need to enter is the process ID of this top, which is 4514. Press enter, enter once again to confirm, and top it's already closed. Of course you have many other options, but I will just show you the basic and most useful one. For example, if you want to sort the processes just to CPU and memory, all you need to do is just press Shift plus equal than sign on your keyboard or greater than on your keyboard, and you have sorted all the processes currently running by the highest CPU usage. This is very important in some cases. For example, if you notice your Linux operating system it's running slow, or for some reason it's not responding correctly, all you may have to do is just open the top command, sort all the processes currently running by CPU usage, find, for example, in my case, this is the for browser, and just kill this process and see if this helps. Another useful command that you may use here is just press F on your keyboard again, and you have so many more options. This is all options that you can add or remove columns. This is information that you may want or you may not want to add to your output. For example, let's see this real user name. Select it, press spacebar on your keyboard, and that's it. Press escape to out. And now at the end, you have the real username of the process. It's simple as that. And of course, the most basic thing, how to get out of this place, just press Q on your keyboard and clear the clear input. And that's it. You are out of top. Again, type top, press enter, and you are back. Okay, so now I want to show you another program that is very similar and it's based on top. This is HTOP. And you may have noticed that looks so much better, so much more organized, and it's so much easier to work with. But depending on your distribution, you may have to install this cute little program separately. How you do that on Ubuntu and Debian with sudo apt install HTOP. If you are on Arch Linux, you do that with sudo pacman-s htop. And for example, if you are on Fedora, you do that with sudo dnf install htop. And as you already have seen how you start the program once it's installed, just type HTOP and press enter again. It looks so much better again. You don't have to, most of the time, you don't have to use key combinations. You, for example, can select a column, for example, memory, and it sorts out automatically all of the processes currently running by the one with the most memory used. Go back to CPU, and now as you can see, the most CPU program is on top. How do you kill a process? Down here you have a basic setup. For example, F9 is the kill process command. Let's go again and mark the HTOP. Press F9 on your keyboard. Press enter. And HTOP, it's cute. That's it. It's pretty simple. It's pretty beautiful. So what's the difference between the top and HTOP? Both are very powerful process monitoring tools. But while top is lightweight and pre-installed on most Linux distributions, HTOP offers a more user-friendly, more colorful and interactive interface. And that's it. With both of those commands, now you have the power to monitor your Linux system in real time, troubleshoot resource hogging processes, and take control of your performance issues. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Linux tips and tutorials. If you have any questions about top, HTOP, or any Linux in general, please drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!